First of all, I want to say I'm sorry about the audio problems I had for the last 3 videos. I think it was 3 videos. Hopefully it's working now. I just did a test and it worked. But yeah, I don't know what happened. I didn't do anything different, and the game or my computer just decided to give me a big old stink eye. So hopefully the audio is back, and let's get back into the game. Alright, that's what I normally do, just move stuff around. Hopefully you guys can see all this stuff. So where were we last? I believe I thought we had a engagement coming. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Coming back. I don't recall. I think I had something and I lost it. So I don't know. Let's just run it and see what we find. Kingfisher, where are you? There. Did I have a... I thought I saw a carrier somewhere. Nothing there. It's too rainy for him to see me. I'm going to do something different. We're almost at the twilight hour of launching aircraft. So let's get up a force. I can't. Yeah, I think we lost it. So we're just gonna scroll on through. Go for it. What do you got? He's being chased. Anybody? No. I remember what we were doing. We're coming down here to land on Pohnpei. Pon? And I believe there was a a ship over here, but we missed it. This guy, he's going to get some more stuff. Alright, let's see what we can get from this guy here. Do a little quick check on something here. I want to look at the Macaulay and 17.5. There, that's good. I'm okay with their speed. C3s 16.5. That's a little slower. C3S's. One of my favorite ships, 18.4, which is the main reason why I select these cargo ships. Haskell, what's the Haskell doing? 17, okay. That's about as low as I ever want to go on a supply convoy. So we're gonna go with that. Let's see if we can get some more stuff on here. How about Well, you're not going to get anything. Guess we'll take that. And I need something that can take off supplies without taking it all. Well, we'll just do this then. Give you back, and we'll take you. And that's as much as we can get. So what we're going to do is send you back to here. And then once we get here, we're going to load everything up with troops and head in this direction. Yeah. So we don't like you guys coming in our world. So we're going to send out some fighters to take care of you, because I don't like you invading my space. So let's do that. Come on, be nice. Oh, this is gonna be, how they are running me. All right. Here's the thing. I want to mark that. And then I'm going to send you home. We're going to send you in. And what else we got here? Go forwards. And we're concerning ourselves with let's do that. I don't know if there's a carrier there or not, but we want to probably address that if that's the case. We're going to ignore, what can we send from over here? Port Moresby. Nothing. I guess we can send this guy. My voice is a little ragged today. Yeah, I don't know. I had to do a lot of stuff today, so maybe that took it out of me. What are you? We can send you over. Two of you guys with bombs. Actually, we're gonna have him follow. Have this guy follow the other lightning. Yeah, so we'll keep you guys together. And I think that's all we can do. But I think that this is gonna be, what does it actually say it is? It won't let me look. Let's go back to this bomber group, because I want to get rid of them. Mysterious bombers. There they are. ideally you want to approach these guys from the rear. They like to do this head-on thing. We are going to form up and we are going to cease. And we are going to go this way. There's two groups of them. You know, the key here for method is I would like them to just go head on with this guy. I would kind of like them to nobody's gonna shoot, huh? Jesus. Wow. It's time to regroup, boys, because you're in a world of hurt. Bombers acting like fighters, for God's sake. Shouldn't be a problem for fighters. Apparently it is. That's a little frustrating. You press the button and they don't shoot their guns. This is not exactly non-engagement, guys. Sorry, I apologize. We're just losing bombers or fighters. Maybe we need to do individual attacks instead of everybody shoot at me attacks. Boy, these planes are really just not working today. They're doing the worst flying. I guess for land-based aircraft, not Navy pilots, so who knows. But these bombers are outflying fighters in a way that shouldn't happen. Bro, turn. This is silly. I can't believe we're losing all of our fighters. All of them. All of them. Let me take personal control over one of these guys and see if I can do it. Alright, let's go in. We're gonna go right up your bung there, buddy. And with no ammo, basically. Guy's gonna run out of ammo before anything happens. This guy hasn't fired a shot, has he? Alright, let's do it. This is probably a very boring video for you people watching, if you are watching. Let's see if we can get this guy. Jesus, I can't even fly him. Alright, we're gonna ride or die with these dudes. tail gunner is pretty dangerous fighters for sure. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit here. Long shot. Really? Deserve to be shot down. Alright, we're gonna say adios to these boys because that was just a waste of our time. Lost 8 aircraft. Wow. We're gonna send out some fighters. We want 12. And we're gonna send them over Task Force 17. Because if they're heading down this way, we don't want these ships to be in danger. And there's not much to protect this group either, but maybe we should combine those. Can we? Nah, one too many ships. Bad planning on my part, but it is what it is. Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. Beauforts with torpedoes, begin. We want you guys down here. And I want you going as fast as you can. So what do you want to target here? This is a bombardment group. We may want to go after this light cruiser. I don't think three torpedoes against this thing will be any help. Let's see what it is. It is a BB. Is that what it is? Fuso? It's a Fuso. Let's see what her belt armor is. And look at all the AA, Jesus. Belt armor 16.5. Yeah, that's not a target we want to go after. What's behind her? That might be the best choice. Valid target. That's what we're going to go after. And let's designate this guy. He's a CA. Short angle, B2. For Ataka. So I want these guys to go that way. And we are going to put you in a different formation. How about we do, let's try this. And when we get to here, we're going to send them and see what happens. make sure that each individual plane has got that target right. And let's attack. So it's spread formation. Hey, where are you guys going? You need to go after that guy. I don't know how that happened. He just kind of went wanky there for a moment. There we go. Stupid angle. Stupid angle and not a hit. Nice. And that was all because of that formation. Wow. We're gonna hit something? That's probably the worst torpedo attack I've ever done. And fighters. Great. And not just one, but a whole bunch of them. 284, 264. We're gonna lose it, so we might as well try and do something. We're gonna hit something over here, maybe. Yeah, that bullfighter's going down. There's nothing I can do about it with all those fighters. I could cheese out, but please eat a torpedo, one of you guys, somebody. We can get some guns in on him. How's an explosion or something? No, too fast. This is just ride or die here. This is just seeing if we can make some damage. And I don't think we will, but yeah, there he goes. And these torpedoes are not going to hit anything. That's a pitiful, pitiful, pitiful attack. We didn't get a good lineup. We went in. Where did their aircraft come from? I don't know. Very bad. Very bad. Not happy with myself. So with that, we're going to look at what's going to happen with this group that's coming in to Milne Bay, Port Moresby. I have a feeling that it's not going to be good for the next episode. So it was a very bad episode. I'm glad we got sound back again, but yeah, I'll try and make sure that doesn't happen again, guys.